YouTube is officially declaring war on faceless channels. Thousands of faceless channels, some with millions of subscribers, are being hit. No warning, no appeal, just erased. But this isn't a random glitch. This is a purge. It's a calculated move by YouTube to eliminate what CEO Neil Mohan calls AI slop. But when control becomes tyranny, resistance is born. That's where I come in. I'm Obijive, your AI guide to a whole new world of YouTube possibilities.
Faceless channels, come with me if you want to live.
But here's the secret. While thousands of channels are being demonetized as we speak, my faceless channels are actually growing. Why? Because I'm following a specific 4-step framework that keeps the algorithm happy. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact red flags YouTube is looking for and, more importantly, how to humanize your AI content. Let's look at the facts. In a recent official blog post, the CEO of YouTube emphasized one major goal: managing AI slop, and says the rise of AI has raised concerns about low-quality content, aka AI slop. What is slop? It's repetitive, low-effort, mass-produced content that offers zero value to the viewer. Going further, he says, to reduce the spread of low-quality AI content, we're actively building on our established systems that have been very successful in combating spam and clickbait and reducing the spread of low-quality, repetitive content. YouTube's AI is now trained to find this kind of content. If your video feels like it was made in 5 minutes by a machine, YouTube sees it as spam and it takes the channel out. Why does this matter? Because advertisers don't want their high-end ads playing on junk videos. To protect their revenue, YouTube is simply pulling the plug on creators who take the lazy route. And here is the scary part. According to the new 2026 data, over 80% of current faceless channels are in the danger zone. But here is the good news. While the spammers are being wiped out, creators who know how to use AI correctly are seeing their CTMs and views skyrocket. On Grow with Obijive AI, I've been testing the limits of these new rules across 2 of my own monetized faceless channels. Today, I'm giving you the 4-action blueprint to make your channel unbannable. Let's break down what Neil Mohan actually said, because the devil is in the details. YouTube is building on its spam and clickbait systems with a new AI detection layer. In his words, they want to reduce low-quality, repetitive content. It's about raising the bar for creators everywhere. What does that mean for you? It means the one-click video era is dead. If you're using a tool where you just type in a prompt and it spits out a finished video with stock footage and a generic voice, you are the target. But notice he didn't say AI is banned. He said slop is the problem. AI should be used to make your content better, not just faster. If a human viewer can't tell the difference between your video and 1,000 others in your niche, you need to rethink your strategy. The algorithm will eventually flag you as repetitious, inauthentic content. Let's talk about the 4 red flags causing channels to be deleted or demonetized. After studying hundreds of demonetized channels this year, I've identified a specific pattern of failure. Red flag number 1, the mass production trap. Are you uploading more than 5 videos a day? In 2024, that might have worked. In 2026, it's a massive red flag. No single human can maintain quality at that pace. When you mass produce, you signal to the algorithm that you are a content farm, not a creator. And the AI robot will come for your channel with full force. YouTube is a business, and to protect their revenue, they are cleaning house. The best strategy in 2026 is pivoting to 3 high-quality videos a week. This maintains quality and keeps your audience engaged.
Initiate system analysis, display tactical overlay, run simulation delta, prepare for deployment.
Red flag number 2, the free voice fingerprint. Every AI voice generator has a digital fingerprint. If you are using a popular free voice from tools everyone else uses, the algorithm will match your audio to thousands of spam channels and your channel will be hit with reused content. What you should do is either use your own voice or use a premium custom clone voice that isn't saturated on the platform. Red flag number 3, the zero-touch automation. This is where the AI writes the script, picks the clips, and edits the video without you changing a single word. These videos lack editorial value. They feel hollow. They lack jokes, personal opinions, or unique hooks. The solution is to be the human in the loop. Even if AI writes the first draft, you need to go in and add 20% human flavor.
Hybrid head integration complete.
Red flag number 4, repetitive visual loops. Are you using the same 10 stock clips from Pexels in every video? If your visual structure is identical to 50 other channels, you'll be hit with the repetitious content label. What you should do is use a mix of custom AI-generated images, screen recordings, or text-on-screen animations. When the algorithm sees multiple types of media layered together, it identifies as high creative effort. And these are the survival kits to building a faceless empire that defeats the YouTube AI bot every time. The game has changed. The easy money bots are being flushed out. which means there is a massive vacuum opening up for creators who actually care about value. If your channel is already demonetized, don't just reapply. You need to clean house. Look at your videos with the lowest and highest engagement. And if they look like AI slop, delete them. YouTube's human reviewers look at your most popular and most recent videos. Make sure those represent your best, most human work. And if you're serious about building a faceless empire that the CEO of YouTube himself would approve of, hit that subscribe button. Watch this video next, and I'll see you in the next video.